Good morning children, this is grade 4 science class. We are doing essay 2 revision. Now today we will revise two blocks, block 24 soil and block 25 soil erosion. So from these two blocks you are going to learn all the answers from workbook, classwork and reader. Read the lesson, be thorough with the reader for objective part and learn all the practice questions from classwork and learn all the answers from workbook from S1 to S4. The revised important questions you are going to write one time in your classwork, children. Now let us revise the important questions from reader and workbook.
Open your reader, page number 148, children. Block 24 soil. We have learned uses of soil, layers of soil. Even you have to practice the figure and labeling part, different parts. Water and air in the soil, formation of soil. Learn all the concepts thoroughly. And from these practice questions, learn all the answers. But write second one and fourth one. What are the uses of soil? So read this paragraph and write the different uses of soil. And fourth one, what does the upper layer of soil contain? Why is this layer most important for growth of plants? The uppermost layer of the soil contains humus. So that makes the soil fertile to grow the plants healthy. So this layer is very important for the growth of plants. So learn all the answers, children, but write second one and fourth one time in your classwork. Now we'll see block 25 soil erosion. Read all the concepts thoroughly. Formation of soil. Even you have to learn the important points. You may get what is weathering. You have to write the definition. Breaking down of rocks to form soil takes thousands of years or more. This breaking down of rocks is known as weathering. The process you have to explain. And you have to practice the different agents. Freezing, rain and wind. So the different agents you have to practice. And causes and effects of soil erosion. You have to learn what is soil erosion and its causes and effects of soil erosion. Even you have to learn the prevention of soil erosion. You have to learn all the points thoroughly. You can write any of the points. Rain and soil erosion. Even you should practice the glossary also, children. From these practice questions you are going to write, how do human activities contribute to soil erosion and why do we need to prevent soil erosion? So how do human activities contribute to soil erosion and the effects of soil erosion you have to learn. Why do we need to prevent the soil erosion? So learn all the concepts thoroughly, read the lesson, but only the marked one you are going to write one time in your classwork. Now we'll see the workbook part. Open your workbook, S1, uses of soil. Learn all the answers from S1, the different uses of soil, and from layers of soil, second one you have to draw and label the parts. You have to show the different layers of the soil. Practice this figure and you have to practice the different layers of the soil. So which is the most important layer of soil? Already we are learning in practice questions. So here you can answer. From S workbook you are going to write second one from S2. And S3 also you are going to learn all the answers. And from S4 you are going to write second one. How is soil? Explain how soil is formed. The formation of soil you have to explain. From S4 you are going to write second one. From block 25, formation of soil. Which other agents can cause weathering of rocks? So you have to write the agents causing weathering of rocks. And why is weathering of rocks important? Why is weathering of rocks important? Write this B and C one, children. Learn all the remaining answers also. From S2, soil erosion, the causes, effects and how is cutting trees responsible for soil erosion? So what is the cause of soil erosion by this picture, and what are the effects, and how is cutting trees responsible for soil erosion? You have to explain. So write this first one from S2 children. And from S3 you have to learn all the answers. From S4 you are going to write second one. What is rainwater harvesting and how can it be considered to be one of the ways of preventing of soil erosion? So you have to explain what is rainwater harvesting and how it can be considered to be one of the ways of preventing soil erosion. So learn all these important answers, children, and do your exam well.